dito sa Sepalco, for instance, ng Cagayan Electric Power and Light Company. Hindi mo rin po pwedeng just international because as I mentioned earlier, like in Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand, subsidized ng pamahalaan yung kuryente. So for me, dapat both ways tingnan. Merong mga metric system that are in place, as I mentioned earlier, yung System Average Interruption Frequency Index, pati itong System Average Interruption Duration Index. So these are some of the metric systems being used to assess the performance of Meralco, performance of distribution utility, and I think the ERC is also using this as a metric system to ensure that they are performing to that level na acceptable sa atin. And again, no, binabanggit